Hi. After generating thousands of images with generative AI, learning various video and image generation tools, and creating my own custom workflows, I think I have a decent understanding of what generative AI is. Pairing this with my passion for teaching, which I have been doing for the past 6 years, where I have taught close to 1,000 participants through in-person and online webinars on topics like computational design, parametric design, digital fabrication, and now generative AI, I would like to believe that I know a thing or two about teaching as well. Well, don't just take my word for it, you can see the testimonials from my workshop participants. At the same time, I have noticed that the demand for education is constantly rising, especially now when things are changing rapidly. So, I have finally decided to start my YouTube channel. Hi, I am Kedar, an architect turned computational designer with a master's in advanced architecture and a passion for teaching with a deep interest in generative AI. On this channel, I will be posting tutorials on whatever I have been doing, and I will share that with you all through a lens of education. That includes tutorials, live session, installation guides, or me just exploring and experimenting with design workflows. And while I have been sharing my design outputs on social media, I do believe that sharing the design process is helpful, and that's another reason why starting this channel made sense to me. Honestly, I haven't fully decided where this channel is going to go yet, but I want to remain in the realm of computational design, generative AI, design, architecture and digital fabrication, or anything else that I come across new. I might tweak things as I post more videos, but I just wanted to start like I did with my 100 days of generative AI, and let's see where this all leads. And if there is anything specific you want me to make a video on, drop a comment and I'll do the needful. Thank you for your time, do subscribe, and I will see you soon.